Welcome to the Thermo Fisher Scientific Single-Use Assembly Configurator. Today we will guide you through the tool and its features with these product examples. First, you will see the system type. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the system subtype. This helps you narrow down the specific requirements for your system. You can then initialize it in standard configuration before proceeding to customization. Finally, review all your selections in the summary section. This is the path of the design process. If you need assistance at any point, the Need Help button is available on every page. Let's review the system type. Below you will find 2D Labtainer, the 3D Productainer, and then fluid transfer assemblies. For the 2D Labtainer, you have the option to select the film type, our flagship Aegis 514 or the CX 514 film. The same options are available for the 3D Productainer. Lastly, you have the fluid transfer assemblies. Let's start with configuring a 2D Labtainer using the Aegis 514 film. Select the system subtype, which is the 2D Labtainer with 2 to 3 ports, or the 2D Labtainer Pro, 2, 3, and 4 ports. Select the size, for example, 50 milliliters, and configure the assembly. On the right, you will see all our standard configurations for a 2D Labtainer with 2 ports, Aegis 514 film, and 50 milliliters. Click on the plus sign to see a 3D rendering of the assembly that can be rotated 360 degrees. The green bars indicate if it is stocked on the shelf. You can expand this to look at the details of the assembly. Then click to get a quote. Next is the summary page. Scroll down to check your selections for system type, subtype, and standard configuration. These are the components in line 1 and line 2. On the right, you see a reference number for the assembly. Click Get a Quote and complete the quote request form. You can add any comments if needed. Check your email and phone number, then click Get a Quote. You will receive a confirmation of your request for a quote in the next screen, as well as in your email. You have the option to print your new configuration or share it. To share, enter the name of the person you want to share the assembly with, along with a message, then receive a confirmation that the configuration has been shared. For the 3D Productainer, we have both Aegis and CX film options. Under System Subtype, we have top-ported and bottom-ported bags with various numbers of ports. Clicking View will give a detailed description of the product. Under the Standard Configuration tab, you will see the SKUs that fit your selection and are available as standard SKUs. Stocked SKUs are indicated by the green bar. On the left, you can rotate the 3D product rendering image by 360 degrees. Click View to get a detailed description of the product and request a quote as shown before. For the fluid transfer assemblies, click Configure the system from the home page. Under System Subtype, you will see various types of fluid transfer assemblies from the jumper, which is one segment, down to a 4-way cross assembly. Once any FTA system subtype is selected, you will see the list of standard configurations. To narrow down your search, filter by tubing size and material. Stocked options are highlighted in green. Select the standard product and get a quote from the summary page. To customize an assembly, start with the home page for 2D Labtainer, 3D Productainer, and fluid transfer assemblies. Select the film type of the 2D system to begin configuring the assembly. Select your subtype and size. Using the standard configuration, you can begin customization. Begin customization of line 1 with the tubing size. Change it to your desired tubing and enter the tubing length. Next, go to End Fittings. All compatible end fitting options are displayed. Expand to have a closer look at the selected fitting. Next are clamps, which are optional. You can then select line 2 and customize it in the same way. Once line 2 is customized, you will see a summary page of the final assembly. The summary page will show the system type, subtype, tubing size, and fittings for each line. Click Get a Quote to request a quote as previously shown. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this helps you navigate and utilize Thermo Fisher Scientific's single-use assembly configurator effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your local specialist.